Hey everybody, how's it going? Today, it's time to unbox my brand new WB desktop tripod. And so, without further ado, let's get started. Actually, I bought this. I just need only this holder to replace my tripod old holder because already broken. So yeah, it's a gas horn behind of my house. Yeah. So here's the box. I bought this in Mr. DIY, very cheap. Got this phone holder and the tripod leg. Can adjust. Alright, so let's open up the box. We have this phone holder with adjustable. It's like this, and this one as well. This size. Also this thing can adjust as well. Very nice. And the last one is the leg. Just like this. Also got your rubber to make it grip. This one is really to install. Just doing it like this, and then also you can hold like this if you want to record. Very easy to handle, easy to bring anywhere. It is like pocket size. Alright, so this holder I'm going to install on my tripod, the big one. Let's open up. So this is my another tripod. Also already been 6 years. It's old. This is my big tripod. So this is my 2-year-old tripod. I'm gonna remove this thing first. So got this thing to calibrate. Very nice. So as you can see, this connector, I mean the holder connector, it fits. Alright, so I already installed it on this connector. Let's put it here. Very nice. Very easy. So I'm trying to put my phone there. So that's it. My tripod is back. And so before I end this video, you can give a feedback for my brand new desktop tripod, and I already connected to my tripod in the comment below. And so just for me, thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on next video. Goodbye and have a nice day.